The changing from summer to fall can be reflective and motivating to continue our daily spot check inventory to continue growing in the direction of our higher power. We are either going toward God or we are going toward a drink. F. Scott Fitzgerald said, "First you take a drink, then the drink takes a drink, then the drink takes you." Liquor is but a symptom. When we remove the alcohol, all that remains is the ism. And that can be a frightening realization. With a higher power, we get rid of the causes and conditions to live a happy, sober life. We're going to start with the Serenity Prayer, and then we'll go into the daily reflections. If you or someone you know are questioning yourselves about whether or not you're an alcoholic or whether they are an alcoholic or drug addict, reach out. We can help you. You don't have to do it alone. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Grant me patience with the struggles that take time, an appreciation for all that I have, tolerance of those with different struggles, and the strength to get up and try again, one day at a time. October 25th, AA's Heartbeat. Without unity, the heart of Alcoholics Anonymous would cease to beat. As Bill sees at page 125. Without unity, I would be unable to recover in AA on a daily basis. By practicing unity within my group, with other AA members, and at all levels of this great fellowship, I receive a pronounced feeling of knowing that I am a part of a miracle that was divinely inspired. The ability of Bill W. and Dr. Bob, working together and passing it on to other members, tells me that to give it away is to keep it. Unity is oneness, and yet the whole fellowship is for all of us. Once again, the virtuous circle of our higher power working in the AA program subtly shows his humility by letting us outcast alcoholics participate in his miracle. No profit motive, no power positions of prestige, and an equality among members of all lengths of sobriety keeps our focus as a group on helping ourselves stay sober by helping each other get and stay sober. We are responsible. I am responsible. When anyone, anywhere reaches out for help, I want the hand of AA always to be there. And for that, I am responsible. Tradition 1, our common welfare should come first. Personal recovery depends upon AA unity. The unity of Alcoholics Anonymous is the most cherished quality our society has. Our lives, the lives of all to come, depend squarely upon it. We stay whole, or AA dies. This is our gift from God, and its bestowal upon others like us is the one aim that today animates AAs all around the globe. There is another reason for this singleness of purpose. It is the great paradox of AA that we know we can seldom keep the precious gift of sobriety unless we give it away. If a group of doctors possessed a cancer cure, they might be conscience-stricken if they failed their mission through self-seeking. Yet, such a failure wouldn't jeopardize their personal survival. For us, if we neglect those who are still sick, there is an unremitting danger to our own lives and sanity. Under these compulsions of self-preservation, duty, and love, it is not strange that our society has concluded that it has but one high mission: to carry the AA message to those who don't know there's a way out. The AA member has to conform to the principles of recovery. His life actually depends upon obedience to spiritual principles. If he deviates too far, the penalty is sure and swift. He sickens and dies. At first he goes along because he must, but later he discovers a way of life he really wants to live. Moreover, he finds he cannot keep this priceless gift unless he gives it away. Neither he nor anybody else can survive unless he carries the AA message. The moment this 12-step work forms a group, another discovery is made: that most individuals cannot recover unless there is a group. Realization dawns that he is but a small part of a great whole, that no personal sacrifice is too great for preservation of the fellowship. He learns that the clamor of desires and ambitions within him must be silenced, whenever these could damage the group. It becomes plain that the group must survive or the individual will not. God gave us brains to use, so we use them correctly when aligned with our higher power to do the next right, unselfish thing. Simple, not easy, a price has to be paid. We found it not too expensive to shed our selfishness and help others. October 25th, AA's Heartbeat. Without unity, the heart of Alcoholics Anonymous would cease to beat. As Bill sees it, page 125. Without unity, I would be unable to recover in AA on a daily basis. By practicing unity within my group, with other AA members, and at all levels of this great fellowship, I receive a pronounced feeling of knowing that I am a part of a miracle that was divinely inspired. The ability of Bill W. and Dr. Bob, working together and passing it on to other members, tells me that to give it away is to keep it. Unity is oneness, and yet the whole fellowship is for all of us. Carpe the diem, boys and girls. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.